How to change your email password on your iPad. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to change your email password on your iPad. Begin by opening Settings. Next, scroll down to Apps and select Mail. Choose the email account you want to update by tapping on its name. If your email password has changed, enter the new password in the password field. Once done, tap Done to save it. And that's it. Your email password is now updated on your iPad. It's always a good practice to ensure your devices have the correct password. It's that easy. Domains.co.za. It all starts with the domain name.